Hey everyone, and welcome to the Pokey Social Club. It's me, Daddy Snorlax.
I'm Mini Charmander and I'm excited.
And we are both excited. It doesn't normally happen. We are opening Legendary Heartbeat. Came out a few weeks ago, managed to get our hands on one. Finally, they were being sold out in many places. I'm sure you guys are aware this is the one after Infinity Zone. I think some of the cards maybe come into the Champions Path set later on this year. You can get V and VMaxes in the same packs, which is bizarre. You can also get amazing rares, which are super glittery, rare Pokemon. The one that we want to get is Rayquaza. Absolutely. Some other cool cards in this set, and probably a lot of cards and trainers that we won't be able to name because we don't know who they are. But as is always the way. But if you've seen any openings of this, you know the cards and packs in this are amazing. There's only 7 cards in a pack, 20 in a box. We're going to go through them all now. See you on the other side.
2 hours later.
Hey everyone, we are back again. I've just struggled to open this booster box. It was being a bit of a pain. So here we go. Not sure if the QR codes do anything. Sure, the QR code bots will be scanning away as we speak. So there should be 20. Oh, hello. 20 packs, I think, 7 in a pack. We'll get I'll put them to one side, I'll get them all out. So, I don't know, looks like 20, right?
Nope.
No idea. Not going to count them, we're just going to smash them. You ready?
Yes.
Let's go. Oh, look, that's no good.
Hello.
That's no good.
Hello there.
It's peeking out. I don't think there's a particular card trick to this. It's just see what we get.
I forgot.
Wooper?
Yes, Wooper. Yes. Electrike. Panko. Lugia.
Oh, Lugia. It's pretty cool. We'll put him over there.
I forgot what his lightning.
Zoroark, is it?
No, lightning rock.
Lycanroc.
Lightning.
Vibrava.
Mega.
Yeah, Mega. Well, yeah, whatever.
Dual energy.
Yeah. It started well, hasn't
It's
it?
one.
It
It's
started.
one.
Oh, look.
Hey,
They've
there
been
is.
tampered with.
Wait, no. On the next pack there's one as well. What the?
One to the front.
Yes, one to the front because the energy is at the back. Boom.
Okay.
Uh,
Yep, thingy.
Speaker thing.
Oh, look at that.
Oh.
What a cool card that is. Like Clay Dedenne.
Chatot.
Yeah.
That's me. Weedle.
Yeah. Oi! So there's a chance we get the VMAX, but obviously maybe not. So that's a Steelix V, which is pretty cool. No VMAX under there. And a Galarian Stunfisk.
Galarian Stunfisk.
And a Manectric.
Manectric, yeah.
So,
Manectric.
Steelix. I'm not sure if it's only certain Vs you get the VMAX as well. But we'll see. We are also
Want the cake?
yes, we are also after the big cake. Alchemy.
For me.
I mean, who doesn't want a big cake, right? Probably me.
Okay.
Fighting.
Energy.
Right.
Riolu. Shuppet. There's a weird face. I forgot what that
Delmise.
was called. Delmise, yes.
Oh yeah! Daddy Snorlax is on fire.
Or maybe you're not.
Maybe I'm not.
Matters. Okay, Zoroark.
It's alright. Well, that was in the wrong place.
Whimsicott. Well, not
Beedrill.
Whimsicott. What? Beedrill. That's not Whimsicott. I don't know what that is.
Or is it a Cloyster evolve? Can't
No.
remember.
Cloyster doesn't evolve.
Does it not?
If you evolve a Pineco, I forgot what it is.
No. Dave. Let's call him Dave.
Dave.
You sure it's
Or
one to
Dan.
the front?
Yes, it is one to the
Well,
front.
it was in the thingy was in the middle.
Very sure.
Looks like some brie.
Cadbury's. I don't know. forgot what his name was.
Yep.
I forgot. Don't know.
Don't know.
Demel.
Another Delmite. Ooh, there we are. Don't think we're doing the card trick right at all. But we don't with those Metagross and a Giraffary. But there we are.
Yes, that's an amazing rare.
Is that the Zamazenta or the Zacian? Who knows?
I think it's shorter, so I think it's Zacian.
Zacian.
Because
Well.
it's shorter.
Okay. Amazing rare card. There we go. Look at that
it is,
bad boy.
It is Zacian because the tin is a different face on it. It's,
Yeah.
that's
Look at that
Zamazenta.
sparkle.
That is the best
Boom.
thing ever.
Oh, bye-bye, Steelix.
Bye-bye,
You were
Steelix.
quickly replaced with that. There we go. Look at that. Incredible card to pull.
Next pack.
I'm not
But it's
convinced.
not
I'm not
on
convinced
card,
by our card trick.
The
Dene.
Dene. Very cute. Beldum. Execute.
Ooh.
Dialga.
Dialga.
Hello there. Spinarak. What is he doing there?
I don't know. Leaf Energy and
Cogswire.
Quagsire.
Why is his mouth like oh?
Why am I not? I think it might be
No.
2.
No. Golden chain.
70s medallion.
Lycanroc.
Lycanroc.
Joltik with his little dopey face. Rooper. Panko.
Genesect.
Two
And
cannon.
2 cannon. Oh, hello.
Ooh.
He's gone overboard.
Oopie.
Can't have that.
Oops.
Right. Let's keep
Next
on
pack.
rocking. I think it might be 3, you know. Let's try 3. We'll get it right at one stage.
I think this is right. Clarence Jumpers. Executor. That was a very cool one. Lady in the Town.
Yep. What is it?
Rockruff. It's
Rockruff.
Rockruff.
It is a
Yes, yeah. Shove it. Weedle.
And
What's he doing? Zekrom.
Zekrom Hollow. Again,
So
that's
it's
pretty
3 to
cool.
the front.
It is 3 to the front.
We found it.
Hooray for me.
How dare you?
I mean, there's only tons of openings. I should have really watched someone else's opening. So there you go. There you go. Right.
What did you
What?
just do? What did you just do?
What did I just do? I did something wrong.
Cake!
Boom! Big cake, which
Big
means
cake.
that one is the V. There we go. Yeah. So we've got the V and VMax cake, the alchemy.
Look, that's why you don't do 3 to the front if it's a 2 thingy, because you get the VMAX first.
You do.
No.
Alright. Blimey, don't have children, kids. So there we go. Look at
Okay.
that. Look at that. VMax. VMax cake
Yes.
and the V cake.
The V
Is that better than the amazing
No,
rare?
the V icing and then the V
Is that the
cake.
amazing better than the amazing rare?
Well, the amazing red's rarer than that, so.
You're probably right. And we've got Lucario,
Lucario, Great Ball,
Metang.
Metang, Electrike, and Execute.
Execute. There we go.
That's why you don't do that.
We'll stick for 2 then, shall we? Stick with 2.
Yes.
Okay.
Yes.
Stick with 2. Fine. Have it your way.
Cafable, I think. Witchy old person in dance
Yep.
club mushroom place.
Yep.
Clefairy. Circle. Yangmil. Now that's Yangmil.
Boom!
What the heck?
Check that out. Secret. That's a secret rare for the pack. No,
That person.
no idea who that is.
That person's eyes is.
A bit scary.
She looks like dead inside, oh boy. But
What the who knows? So there we go. Secret rare trainer, full art. Wow, getting some amazing pulls out of this. VMAXs, secret, amazing rares.
secret rares.
I think we're only halfway through the pack. Through the box, I mean. Right.
Galvantula.
Galvantula.
Woman in a hotel.
Yep.
Called Joltic.
Obviously, you've got to be careful with that.
Picky peck.
Putting the plug in.
Jeez.
Okay.
Execute. Person who has crystal hair. Crystal
Not
hair.
entirely sure about that.
Bayonet.
And a bayonet. There we go. That's cool. Right, so how many have we got? Let's have a count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Oh, look at that. Exactly halfway through.
Wow.
Right, let's keep going.
We counted them, it's just not had time.
We did.
Yeah.
We don't throw this together, you know. There's that one that we don't know.
I'll call them Rocky Space Thing. Something.
Catcher of some description.
Electronic.
Electrite.
Rockruff. Okay. Yay.
Me too.
Antler Day.
I'll tell you what, needs a haircut.
He does. After all
He's
this
got lockdown hair.
Yes. Like I do.
Yes, you do.
I'm about to get it sorted out.
That's
Couple
right.
of weeks.
That's right. You never know, we might even do a face reveal. Now that would be scary.
What, for
Right.
300
Oh.
subscribers, face reveal?
Right.
Maybe, don't know. Jaffery.
Kari.
Lucario, Metang, Pinko.
Boom!
Oh, I love him. He's
Colossal. Colossal. V. And boom! Check that bad boy out.
I love
Wow.
that. That is sick as.
That is pretty cool card. VMax and the V. Coloss something.
He's
Can't
thrown
remember.
up lava.
He's pretty good. I mean, that amazing. Again, you get 2 in 1. I mean, that is pretty cool. I'm not sure if that's going to follow through for the packs in English later on for the next set.
Where?
Probably not. But we'll see. But again, amazing cards to pull.
I love this set.
Right, so here we go.
Okay, we've got an executor again. Nice drawing.
Bot face.
But mouth.
Joltik.
Joltik, Beldum,
Kakuna.
Kakuna. I almost forgot his name then. Regirock?
Not sure.
Regirock.
Regirock.
Don't know. Don't know if it's Regirock or not.
Well, I'll flash it up on the screen. Maybe, it may not be. We don't know.
That's just our guess.
It is, and our guesses are generally a bit rubbish. And always upside down, it seems. Minute try.
Let's try.
Oh.
Okay, the death person.
There we go, yep.
Picky peck.
Strip
Strip it. Whipper. Dialga.
Hollow
I
and
like that. It's pretty epic.
a medallion of some description.
We could put that up in our giveaway. The Dialga, because we have to.
We could do, yeah, absolutely. Well reminded, we do have a 200 subscriber giveaway. Again, in the comments, all I want you to do is comment how old you think I am. Please be nice. But you can win a Sword and Shield base set tin. And
What makes it? It's Rebel Clash.
it's not it's base
Okay.
set. Like and rock.
Like and Rock, Leaf Energy, Weedle with his cute little beady eyes.
Today now.
And then I love that go. Picky peck.
Another one of
Well,
those.
it's starting with Z, and I don't know what it is. We can add that to our giveaway as well.
Yeah, we've got a couple of those. So we can give that away as well. We'll probably do a first and second place like we did last time. Open globally. It might take 3 or 4 weeks for you
And
to
I'll
get
probably
your.
I'll probably name the people wrong as well.
Put it upside down for
Lucario. Why do I call
Brie.
that Daisy Made Cheese?
that.
Rockruff, Beldum, Electrike, Genesect. Giveaway.
We've got the Genesect. Oh, it's over there. Yeah. And Beedrill.
Beedrill.
Sticking with this mate over there. It's a shame we're getting duplicates of the Apollos. But,
Apollos.
so we have 4 packs left.
Hopefully the cards are epic. There.
Well, I think you only get 1 in a pack, so I think we may have got one. The only one.
For Fable. I forgot what energy that is.
Fighting energy.
Fighting energy. Shuckle. Chatot. Pull this down slowly.
Ooh.
What is that?
You know what? I forgot his name.
A chinchilla looking dude.
His name escapes me, but it's one of the newer ones, or the new one. New V card.
He's on the front of the pack art.
He's on the front of the pack art. It must be good.
Must be good. It must be.
He's a couple.
Also is Lugia, Genesect, Zacian, Zamazenta. And that's it. Wait,
Okay.
no Selby.
Right.
Yangma.
Sure, it's not a Vibrava.
It's Yanmega.
Okay.
It's not a Vibrava.
Okay.
Pokeball sucker up thing. Joltik. Railu. Kakuna. Tornadus. Or is that?
Thunderous,
No,
Tornadus.
no, that's Tornadus. That was right the first time.
Oh, don't do that. Got the wrong cards. Right, we have 2 cards. 2 cards left.
Yay! I mean, no.
Right, let's see if we can get something good in the last 2 packs.
Please. Okay, Metagross. Which?
Old woman. Time.
Tang, Shuckle, Demels. What is that? Oh, I know what that is. I forgot what its name.
I'm glad you do. Girafarig.
I remember me watching the cartoon show of Pokemon, and one of the trainers had like the baby version of that,
Right.
and
Okay.
they called it Slimy.
Okay. No,
I
that's
forgot
no
what it was
help.
called.
Right, final pack then. Fingers crossed. Something cool.
Kagskaya with his mouth all rock ball thing.
Rock helmet.
Rock
Who knows?
Clefairy. Smoochy lips.
Yeah. Pineco.
Panko. What is that?
Don't know. The Galvantula, so not sure. Not entirely sure on that one. So there we go. That is Legendary Heartbeat. We have got some incredible cards. Started off with the Steelix,
And then we went to the epic.
and then we went straight to, well, put him over there. Gather up some of these. We got the Secret Rare, which was the trainer card.
Wait, no, pick up that move. Forgetting about cake.
So there we go. We've got this trainer full art.
Very weird.
It's not, I mean, not as good as pulling a rainbow rare, to be fair, but still might be valuable. We've got the Alcremie V.
You actually remembered his name.
It did, yeah.
Creamy V.
And then the big cake.
The cake.
Love the cake. Love the cake.
When Creamy turns into a when Creamy turns into a VMax.
A
I
V
love
dude.
cake.
And then we've got the V Colossal thing.
Colossal man. Colossal
Focus, and then the-
volcano.
And the VMax.
Colossal.
Steelix V.
And then the best of all.
And then we go the amazing rare. Let's have a look at centering. Might send that away to be graded, you know.
Yeah, let's
Check
go.
out our next video. We're going to do a grading video. But yeah, we might send that to be graded. I'll have to check online how much these are going for. I'm sure over time they'll become cheaper, but you never know. That's in pretty good condition. So there we go. If I were you guys, I would check out Legendary Heartbeat. I know some people are not a fan of the Japanese packs for some reason, but I mean, amazing art. Gives you a view into what is coming in the next few collections. So there we go. Thanks very much for watching, everyone. That's it from now, from Daddy Snorlax, and
Minichama.
that's right. And remember the 200 subscriber giveaway. How old am I? Please be kind. Bye.